Morning. My name is Chris Hammer. I am Deputy General Counsel of the New York City Conflicts of Interest Board. Welcome to the Conflicts of Interest Board's public hearing, which is being held pursuant to Section 1043E of the City Administrative Procedure Act. On the agenda this morning are proposed amendments to Board Rules Sections 109 regarding City Planning Commissioners and proposed Board Rules Section 118 regarding the use of city title for promotional materials. We welcome any comments regarding these proposed rules. Each person has up to 3 minutes to speak. To be recognized to speak, participants may use the raise hand feature on Zoom, may physically raise their hand or wave on their video feed to get our attention. Participants joining us by telephone may dial *9 to raise their hand or *6 to unmute themselves. For anyone offering a comment, please state your name and affiliation and the proposed rule that you are speaking about. And with that, I welcome anybody who would like to make a comment to do so. Thank you. Yes.
Hi, good morning. Joseph Dweck. I happen to be a city planning commissioner, and I was reading about the proposed changes. I just want to clarify so that none of the proposed changes are meant to impede our ability to consult with any of the stakeholders on an active rezoning. These rules only are for projects that we are personally involved in. Am I correct?
I'm sorry that this is just an opportunity for you to provide comments about the rule. We can't engage in a Q&A about the rule. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Right. Okay. So again, my only purpose of joining was today just to make sure that that was clarified. That again, this doesn't impede us from speaking to a borough president, a council member, or anybody who might have an interest in a certain rezoning that's coming in front of us, because that would just impede our work. And then part B to the question is obviously this is meant that we don't present or posit on projects that are involving us personally. And does that mean is that limited specifically to anything that's a financial gain, or can I not interact with a community board, or can a commissioner not interact with a community board about a proposed project going on in his own community with no financial benefit in the outcome, just his quality of life or person's quality of life? So that would be my questions or comments, and if there was some clarification from the COIB, it would just make it a lot easier for us. Understood, and those
comments will certainly be presented to the board, and I will just add a plug for our Attorney of the Day line. We're happy the Conflicts of Interest Board attorneys provide confidential legal advice to any public servant regarding their proposed conduct in specific circumstances. And so certainly to the extent that your comments may, your comments regarding the proposed rule may affect your own conduct, the attorneys of the Conflicts of Interest Board are happy to provide that advice through that venue.
Thank you.
Yes. This concludes the Conflicts of Interest Board's public hearing on proposed board rules sections 109 and 118. Thank you very much.